Hey everyone, if screen sharing is not working on Google Meet in 2026, like you click present but nothing shows or the screen stays blank, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Google Meet screen sharing step by step. First, open Google Meet and make sure your browser has permission to share your screen. Without permission, screen sharing will not work at all. Next, click Present Now and choose the correct option, like your entire screen, a window, or a browser tab. I mean, choosing the wrong option can make it look like it is not working. Now, leave the meeting and rejoin. This helps fix temporary glitches in Google Meet. After that, close apps like Zoom, Discord, or any screen recording software. I mean, these can block screen sharing access. Next, check your system privacy settings and ensure screen recording or capture permissions are enabled. This is required for sharing your screen properly. Now, update your browser to the latest version. I mean, outdated browsers often cause screen sharing issues. After that, try sharing a different tab or window. Sometimes a specific application causes the problem. Finally, restart your device if nothing else works. I mean, this clears hidden bugs and resets system permissions. So, yeah, that's how you fix Google Meet screen sharing not working in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and your screen sharing should work again smoothly. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more troubleshooting tutorials for fast fixes. Hey everyone!